It is Durban Network. I am your host Usabelo Nganzakwethu. Insizwa kaNdabase le phansi emkhomazi olunye uhlelo lwakho oluyingqayizivele another epic episode. Namhlanje ke sivakashelwe World Design World Clothing uPS Sun. Ngizokhumbula Nganzakwethu ukuthi lokho kusuka kulonyaka esisuka kuona ubeloko esigqokisa nisibona sibahle sicobezela sinje insizwa yathi asikubingelele studio.
Unjani wona la?
Siyaphila mfowethu siyabona usiphathele into ezikhala kahle la. Indle kwenzakalani la?
Yeah, once again ngena fear nasekuqaleni yabo but still saphusha umshayashi koyi1 kusukela kuqala. Yeah, vele sadunga ama golfer ke la yabo. Ama traditional golfers ahamba ngendwangu ezingafaniyo yabo. Yeah, so sekanjalo nango akashintshi into.
Iyakhula kodwa inkampani.
Iyakhula ke. Yeah. Manje ngathatha ukubheka iyakhula according to la nisuka khona eqaleni nangosi la nikhona yabo. Seyikhulile nanokuthi sekukhona abona abasebenza abasha ngoemsebenzini yabo. At least ikhona into
you hiring more people.
Yeah.
You making more money.
Yeah. It's not about making money that yabo because once waqala hirisha abantu abasha nayo yabo imali yedla because we have to give back at the end.
But let's speak about abantu ukuthi bayafika abantu abasha mhlawumbe noma you still dealing with one and the same customers.
In terms of customers, I mean, ukudila nama customer amadala it's hard nje. Always find new people every day.
Yeah.
So lo kufika umuntu omsha nje because nathi siposta every day yabo and baningi abantu aba online so abanye baze basuke from Eastern Cape bazozifikela bona la bazozithengela without ukuthi sibasendele ngobe bathi bafuna ukubona nje la sebenzela khona. Nanokuthi say appreciate ke your support because yiyo la esibeke la yabo.
Mhlambe I'm sure sengqokisa abantu abahlukahlukene for which sometimes kuyenzeka kuba abantu othola ukuthi they going to wear the same thing emcimbini mhlawumbe bathi sicela usenzele lo black and white or lo su10 bla 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 mase ubabona sebezigqokile sebeshutha izithombe njenganomuntu okuyena uze founder of all of this uyawuzizwe kanjani?
Ayikho enye indlela phela we have to be happy because nabo bakhalaza and at the same time sakwazi ukusebenzisana nabo abantu abaningi yabo because nabafika bedinga nathi sizamuthi sibancede so yabo ukusebenzisana yabo nathi kuyasijabulisa because nalapho kuzisa abanye abantu abasha futhi again yabo elenza business liqhubeke lingami yabo.
So why specifically you decide ukuthi uzodila kakhulu ngalezi that looks a bit traditional?
As because yabo hambe ubheke la ukhona yakwazi check environment baba phila kanjani abantu bakhona. That's why uzo dedicate business lakho khona because most of the time mina ngiso Eastern Cape and imicimbi bakhona yabo but ayikho that traditional kakhulu umuntu uqhamuka ezigqokela into yakhe nje but when I look like KZN abantu abaningi yabo emcimbini abanye bayavunula abanye abantu abangamadoda bagqoka ngokufanayo yabo so mina decided ukuthi asebenze ngalendlela because most of the time miningi imicimbi la futhi ihlukile futhi ngingaze ndiyibale but andiyazi kahle yabo njengomhlonyani kani kuyashintsha kuya kumemulo yabo zihlukile nje imicimbi lokho ikhona day by day yabo. Neyo nto into enga-emphasize ebantwini abanamabhizinisi uba bangathanda ukuthi bagxile kuyo because vele ibhizinisi engapheliyo yamanithatha ukubheka yabo.
Enye into recently kungasikudala kuke eSouth Africa kwanokushifta kwabantu abaningi kade beku business space mhlambe sento cisho umsebenzi ofanayo nowakho Mhlawumbe ungameja ukuthi kube nezinguquko ezinjani after abantu kakhulu labo ukuhamba abashiftile from endaweni ebenisebenza kuzo.
Hhayi ke masibheka lapho mina ngokuhlaziya kwami I think kushintshile kona somehow kwi-business space because abantu even though bebelana ngongemthetho yabo but bekhona into abayicontributayo kwi-economy because bayasebenza most of the time and babona abantu abasebenzayo full time nje yabo. But into wrong ngabo ukuthi bapromote cheap labor ke bona. So leyo nto yenza ukuthi umuntu wala eMzansi kube nzima ukuthi adayise into because mniskipha ngasibiza u350 yena ke nqina uvela asibiza u200. So now umuntu uzoqala bheke yabo ukuthi ngathi kucheap ngayo thenga khona. But manje thatha ukubheka njengangoku abantu ebebekade bene-business abanye bebedepende kakhulu kubo such as abantu bamapinifa yabo emgaqweni bebethungelwa ababantu bokufika yabo. So I think lapho kushintshile kakhulu yabo but then ngoba ke sekwenzekile sonke soqala sifunde sibone ukuthi sizokwazi ukuzimela thina nahore yabo besingazimiselanga wathina from the start yabo. Ngiyambona kanjalo.
But asikhulume ngoshintsho kakhulu mhlawumbe kuma sales nendlela yokudayisa ukuthi mhlawumbe luphi ushintsho olibonayo wena since behambile ngoba phela ngeke size sikufihle ukuthi somewhere somehow benibanga imarket yabantu abafanayo ngoba nenza umsebenzi ocishe ufane.
Mina inkinga yabo at this moment angikwazi ukurate ukuthi kune kanjani because kwale nyanga le mina since I've been in business ndiyazi uJuly so long nje akuyi iminyanga eloku ephuthuma in terms of imarket akuthengwa kakhulu ngoJuly especially mawuhlala la KZN because ngoJuly yabo abantu bahamba baye koShembe yabo kuba khona ama camps amasonto yabo akusebenzeki kakhulu. So nami sendayi accept yona. So angikwazi ukudecide ukuthi ihamba kanjani market unless eyonto izowenzeka mhlambe ku-August because ngoku ive yaqala ngoJune maqala uJune abantu bayahamba naba futhi abasebenzana baphinda le yabo. So awazi ukuthi yiphi into emisile imarket kahle kahle yabo. So nami nje at this moment neutral angaboni bakwenzekani.
But at some point wakwangitshela ukuthi awunayo indawo oyirentayo which belongs to you and you're renting out from somebody naye orentayo and stuff. Kwenzakala na manje since sekukhona ipace ezivulekile were you able to find your own space?
Kuyo point isizile ke but then mina ngendithi nisizile because la ndiyena ngona khona bekuvele kungumuntu wala eSouth Africa yabo so udecide ukushintsha indawo but izpaces ziyezavuleka la emaphasejini for abantu abafuna ukurenta for indawo zokusebenzela zikhona izpace bahambile abantu abaningi yabo. Khona la usengathola khona ispace mawuzimisela. Even those biza ke because sekusebenza ngama agent ngiyakwazi uvele ube noma stand wakho straight odila naye yabo. Kodwa zivulekile izpace yabo.
So personal soyakuwena nje personal manje ukuba khona kwalabantu bokuhamba mhlawumbe especially laba abangenawo amaphepha wena ubuzizwa kanjani ngabo ngoba vele basasekhona uzizwa kanjani ngabo?
Mangeza ngumlendo ayikho indlela engathi yabo specifically anibafuni kanye kutheni yabo but then mawurongo ke awukwazi ukufika uhlale emzini womuntu ufike uzenzele ekubeni uvakashile wena yabo which means ayikho right ke yona uthi benifila kanjani ngabe ukuthi nje into abebeyenza engibonayo bayi-wrong because sibabantu bala eMzansi I can tell ukuthi sinabo ubuntu thina kade sahlala nabantu from like ngo-2010 kanje vele besiphila nabo abantu but now sebengathi bayaba baningi ke ngosebebizana bonke it's like umuntu ongalya sesebenzela ukuthi eze la eMzansi kanti usegcwalisa uvala namathuba la angekho ready wawona la yabo. But I'm not saying yabona ndi specific ukuthi nifila kanjani ngabo bona yabo. But noma wrong ngoba sonke supposed to do izinto ngendlela ekufanele ngomthetho waseMzansi yabo.
Being in business as a young person, imapha ama challenges kakhulu ohlangana nawo?
Yabona in terms of ama challenges. Yabo kwi business phofu ngave ndisho ukuthi since ndila eThekwini mina yabo. Kuthi sidibana nabantu abangacingi ngendlela ezifanayo yabo. So same as mina ngokwami ndiyafisa ukuthi singabantu abamnyama sisebenzisane yabo. Andake ndayimention lento before. My inking sekutheni thina asikwazi ukusebenzisana because mase umuntu mayiqala evula ibusiness yena usuke efuna ukuthi asuse ikati eziwe yabo. Mina I knew ukuthi ngiqala ibusiness nandisazi bavele at the end of the day sifuna imali but at the end kumele sikhule yabo. So manisebenzisana nawe is because ngisuke ngicela ukuthi undazise into engayaziyo futhi nawe unganibuza into endiyaziyo. So uyancedakala lapho but then la sebenza khona mawucela into emntwini keep information because ucimba uzomsaphesa at that moment yabo manje afuna ukuthi ukhule nawe and mangakhuli yena nami ngeke ngikhule yabo. So iba kanjalo lento unzima ukusebenzisana nabantu la yabo nanokuthi mawusemncane kanje abantu abayithatha serious into yabo. Yabo the reason why ndingaqasha abantu and most yabantu endibaqashileyo sami badala kunami and bayakwazi ukuthetha customer more than him because malithetha nami vele cimba ngendiyenze lena kodwa kade ngiphila kulomhlaba yabo. Dala nisebenza ngento ezikanje.
So
ngacela beyona.
So uku business that means you've got an advantage. Mangithi advantage you make money. For which imali can lead you to a lot of things. Mhlambe ezinye ezi-wrong, mhlambe ezinye ezi-right. How do you try and balance ukuthi ungasebenzisi imali mhlambe ngendlela e-wrong, ungaheheki ezintweni mhlambe ezi-wrong because you are at an advantage of having money at a young age?
Eyonto put ihambelana ne character yakho ukuthi vele unjani wena. Most likely imali ikuveza ukuthi wena unjani hayi ukuthi uyashintsha mase unemali. For example if umuntu ebevele rude once wanemali uzotreat abantu ngendlela ebheda yabo. Same applies mangumuntu right imali ikwenza ube right more yabo. So mina kule business engikuyo ngikwazile nokunderstand ukuthi nisukaphi mina. I know ukuthi man mesa la ke ayikho ibackup so kumele indlela endizenzayo nizazi bazi benefit mina at the end of the day yabo. Ingakho wena ngingazi ukuthi hayi imali ndayidla indlela engayazi yabo because ndiyazi banisukaphi mina maningaluza le business iphelile indaba yami that's why ndi-treat as a first priority le yabo. Kanjalo nje.
So don't you get into a position whereby mhlawumbe sekunabantu ongabadingi empilweni yakho noma unaware ukuthi labantu awubadingi but uthola ukuthi beze noma bazisondeze kuwena because akwenzeki?
Kuyenzeka kona kanjalo yabo.
Well uyintombi nje
amajera ukuthi ngiyakwazi ucontrol ixesha lami that's why ngekho lula ukuthi nje noma ngibanga kwazi ukuthetha nami ngendlela yokuthi kube khona umathandana kanje and beside ukuthi mina decided uba nayo umuntu oyi-1 ngcono ukuthi ni waste imali yami emntwini oyi-1 because at least ndiya investor lapho of which I don't know ukuthi yena ucingani ngefuture but at the end I'm losing
invest bese yanyamalala
khona ngaki akhona mfi at the end of the day siyaphila sonke la yabo. So umuntu uyazazi bufunani yena ngeke ibalekele yona. If you decide ukuhamba vele akahambe. Life iyaqhubeka again yabo. Kuba kanjalo. But then mina emphasize yona bo at least ube nayo umuntu oyi-one okwazi ukumamela mawuthetha naye yabo. Iyona le dala esiqhubene nanokuthi appreciate into omenzelayo iyona enika umdluba uphinde uvuke ekseni uyenze yabo kuba kanjalo siphila lapha ama-cherry akukhona azoloku ekhona ama-temptation maningi dependa ukuthi ngumuntu onjani cha wena yabo mina akho lula ukuthi kave uthethe noma kanjani nami because nami ndizithulele manje phakathi kwabantu yabo nguye umuntu othetha kakhulu most of the time.
Would you say i-behavior kakhulu yakho leyo okhuluma ngayo ye-personality lo ishona into owayifunda noma since ukhula bovela unjalo?
Mina since ngikhula always dedicated myself ekutheni bekhona into endiyenzayo elifini ingaloku mhlambe nihlale nilinde ukuthi kuzoze kungeno 350 yabo because at the end of the day eyonto ayizukusebenzela for a long run. Mina nokuthi mina ndiye ndafunda kuseyilu ukuhlala ndodwa mhlawumbe ukuzenzela ndodwa izinto because khange ngihlale kakhulu nabazali yabo kanti benayo yanto ukuthi ukuthi yenza lokhu utshelwa abazali yabo mina ndizibonela along the way uba mandihamba la ngizogaxela so mandihambe ngayo enze ndazi ukuthi at least ngizo-sustain impilo yami lapha.
So ngokubuka kwakho mainly kunabafana it's either la etown uselokishini who are at your age who are abusing their own life. Mhlambe they are drinking too much. Mhlambe they are using drugs or what. Abanye they are even thugs bayizigebengu and stuff, you know. What do you think are the reasons ezenza ukuthi bazibagcine befika lapho?
I've always said the peer pressure ke lapho. Depend ukuthi uvana nabantu uyodetermine i-future yakho yabo. Most of the time abantu bahlala nabantu abaziyo ukuthi lo mandlala naye akho la nizoya khona but uyadecide ukuhlala khona because ucinga ba umnandi and nanokuthi I've always tshela abantu ukuthi like aboma ungumuntu ungabelieve ungakholelwa kakhulu kwi-emotions zakho zisuke kuyinto etemporary asikwazi ukuphila under temporal situations emhlabeni mele uyicinge into before uyenze ungaloku ukuthi yazi namhlanje feel like okay sewufilile kanjalo wayenze yona sewugaxele ngo you have to think again ekubeni uvele bekumele uright uve waqala wayicinga into before uyifile yabo angeke uphile ngemizwa. That's the reason I don't listen to women too much yabo because bathetha into abayivayo yona kanti thina siphila ireality la uzogaxela mawuloku ucinga ukuthi ekuse mandleni nabangani ngoLesihlanu siyophuza ngomgqibelo nangecawe Monday ukhathele kumele uye emsebenzini ekubeni usebenza inyanga yonke uzohola kayi1 leyo mali uyidla 3 days kuphela yabo determine ukuthi uhlala nabawuphi yabo leno nje ukuthi at least yazi ukuthi uhlala naba yabo abangani bakho baba multi future yakho.
Yeah. So asbalance umuntu osuke emakhaya for which most of guys who are growing from rural areas per se abanayo leverage yokugcina becabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe this is what I can do so that I can survive. Mhlawumbe they would solely based their thinking out of ama-farm mhlawumbe angakubo ukuthi naka lapha kasibani sosha khona umoba and stuff, you know. Yini yakwenza ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuhluza from i-background yabantu abakanjalo ukwazi ukuzimela?
Ukuthi mina ezenjile ukuthi ngithathile isikhathi esincane ukuthi ngihlale nabantu abadala abanitshela ukuthi mandenzeni so ngihlale emqashweni mina ngibonile ukuthi because ninahlala like 3 years ngisafunda e-high school emqashweni yabo. So nibonile ukuthi kunzima ukuthi ngicela imali because bayakwazi noba kweni bakunike imali mhlambe bakunike noba ngo700 iyaphela ezithubeni u700 manje usenayo imali ngoba umelinde kuze kuphela inyanga yabo. So I decided because mina umuntu ophinda acinge too much mayihleli yedwa andavusa ibrand. Ibrand yebese inikhokhela emqashweni bese ngayicela imali ekhaya yabo. So when manisuye emakhaya vele senipasile grade 12 nizofunda la eThekwini yabo. Nakhona nifike ndaphusha on while nise college beniphusha ibrand still ndizosebenza la for free vele kodwa vele ndiyazi ukuthi mina at least imali endiyitholayo encane yawenza umehluko vele niseyintwana. Distance ebantwini abathande ukuthi si mawuthola imali kuthenga ijiki yabo. Even if nambe ndilisela kodwa bengayini ecaba seso detect impilo zethu lapha yabo. Kuba kanjalo still nisasho nangokuthi when you decide ukuphila nabaya yabo because nama nifika laba nenivike ndadibana nabo baba bebendenzela ibrand emakhaya. So abo bantu at least senithola abantu abakwazi ukufocus entweni eyenza imali yabo. Iyona into nami eze yandirect ukuthi nibe la kule situation yabo.
So ngathi nje la uma khona awunayo nje abangani aba-distractive nje othola bathi asami sobushaya
inqaba
unabo
bayinkinga phela ngoseningibhosa ngikwazi ukumamela noba ngibaya bomele beve ngami yabo.
Wena so bakhomba indlela mhlambe Pearson I remember last time when you were here sakhuluma nangokuthi iliphi iphupho lakho ngebrand yakho iWorld Clothing. Kunama brand njenganabo Drip for example amateku abo bathu sebenezitolo ema-mall. Do you foresee yourself, do you foresee iWorld Clothing isikuleyo level yokuthi seyinesitolo sayo mhlambe ePavilion eWestwood wathi yes uyakufisa lokho and awufuni ukuthathe isikhathi ukuthi kwenzeke la sikhona manje singakulindela nini lokho?
Yaze nanjilo bani ndizinika la 2 years yabo. But then ninge kwenzekile since ndasuka la okukhombisa ukuthi inoma ithethe yakwazi ukukhawuleza yenzeke yabo. Because example nandithethe ngokuthi nizothenga machine yama branding yabo nyusele ibrand. For example sendayithenga yonke iyo machine ngoyikhona and okwese ndathenga nevura ke ngoyabo. Yabo ngokuthi izini nazithetha ndilaye yabo which because vele kwango bese sikwimawhle we-World Trading besehlelile izinto ezi3 ngoDecember yabo. But asinasho ke because udetermine imali basikwazile nokuyenza because besiplanele ukuthi sifulisa loan ngoDecember yase World Trading. Nalapha yonto izobe senyusa amathuba omsebenzi hayi ukuthi izobe ivuna thina yabo. Nalapho samuthi bekhona more abantu abakwazi ukulala bedlile inxa ye-World Trading yabo. Hayi ukuthi mhlambe sesizibona ngathi sikanga.
So manje mhlambe masingathi nje sifanekisele istaff onaso sabantu abaqashile bangakanani benzani?
Abantu enginabo I think by 6 for now. By 6 abayi2 bayathunga yabo. Abayi2 badila ngeprinting and branding nje mabenishilo. Oyi1 nguye lona ngathi i-receptionist nguye phinda abowalinganisisa abantu impahla bafithe masezithungiwe impahla. Then bendimi ngowe6 usho ukuthi by 5 kahle bangako.
Nawe uyasebenza uphinde uyazibambela nawe ukuthi ubasohlala esayidini ashaya.
Ayenziwe ngeke ibhasi yo business ngekho. Hayi kumele ube khona nawe yebo. yabo nanokuthi abantu bazi mina phela omnye umuntu akafika eofisini ezothenga alinde kuze kubuye mina lapha beningekho yabo so yanyanza bani be around noba ndenzanga into serious kodwa nibekhona nje yabo.
I remember the other day ngangiyolinganisa lapha kwindawo yakho yokusebenzela. You were very busy ungena uphuma nama-order. Ku-stressful kangakanani ukuhambisa ama-order because it seems to be using iy'ndlela ey'hlukahlukene ukuthumela abantu into zabo.
Hayi iphathi inzima kodwa njengoba sekukhona abantu lisi seyabalula sekuba ndim qha oyeni bhale phansi ukuthi leli yapheli liyaphi umuntu ahamba yoliphathisa. Otherwise at that moment asibambala mos bengikwazi bekumele mhlambe ama-order ay5 ayePep ay2 ayimele ndiwaphathise eDurban station yabo mele ngiqale ndigibele ndihambe ndiyophathisa ndibuye ngisayina wasePep ndiwafake ndiwaphathisa beunzima ngokodwa ngosendiyawazi nokuthi beningekho fike ndisho uba into ezikanje zifake eplastikini ubani uzozihambisa yena ayozifaka yabo sekulula kanjalo kodwa bengizima inkinga vele besiba yi3 kahle thina besebenza siba yi3 yabo.
Would you say umthamo wabantu abaplace ama-order kunina niyawumela ngendlela noma mhlawumbe khona la kusafanele improve khona ngokubuka kwakho?
Hayi nto idepende kumi kuphela kodwa sakwazi ukubamela wese abaningi abantu bayathanda uvele bazifikele ingakho ngasabikho nzima kakhulu abala run KZN umuntu avela asuke mhlawumbe uhlale eshow avela afike yena kubalula for yena yabo. But abafaka koPep kanje bona siyabanika u2 days yabo. Because yabo ngenzeka sithi so wenza ama-order abo namhlanje vekufika abama walk in sengizima engokwenzela i-order like bengathi simzibiso that's why vesithi after 2 days uzobona imessage esho uba lezi order lakho but mawujahile siyakwazi ukufakela itaxini.
Okay, njengoba uthe unomuntu onawo phila naye mhlawumbe khona ilanga esingalindela ngayo ukuthi usimeme mhlawumbe hayi simeme ndoda siyogqoka amakhothi.
Ile yabe ngoyi hayi yasazi isikweleti esingapheliyo andisho bakuthini kodwa hayi kwango hayi sikakabi nazo ezonhlelo ezo hayi
kusawumjolo
hayi ngeyomjolo yenye into ngelisi yaphilisana pha kuyathandwana at least umjolo ngathi siyibana ngohayi
ukhona umbuzo lapho sesizova no mhlambe asibheke kakhulu i-business idinga i-sustenance eningi mawulikhulisa kunezinto ekumele u-invest ekuzona wazi ukuthi ziyi-lifetime ezinawo ukhula. There's a time whereby uzongabe usakhona ukuyothunga or even to go to the office uyomonitor abantu abathungayo. Are you maybe in the future seeing yourself investor kwamanye mhlawumbe ama-business ayi-lifetime ongakwazi ukuthi uhlale ekhaya kodwa abantu basebenze?
Kakhulu ezibabe njengoba bendisho bafo isalon vele iyeza ngoDisemba. Yakhona nje like i-laundry kanje nayo isazoyivula wala eCBD eserious nje 24 hours esebenzayo yabo. Sisazoyisebenza and lapho nami ngizobe seningekho ke kakhulu because nami I'm planning ukuthi invest na kwi-transport ngithenge like if imoto for ama-Uber kanje yabo into ezikanjani nanokuthi sithole i-advantage in terms of abantu o-60 kanje mawuthenga izithuthi noba ziyi-3 ungakwazi u-investa nalapho still usaqasha abanye abantu uyabo ngisazo-invest endweni ezikanjalo nami kodwa nje just a moment of time yabo.
Yeah, you sound like a guy with big dreams and you want to build an empire. Kodwa umbuzo about committing, it seems to be a difficult question. Why is that? Is it because young men bayakusaba ukucommita because kubuye ngathi imali ikhona and useyinhlelweni yokwenza more money? Why is it then hard to answer a question of commitment?
I didn't say kunzima yabo. But benzisho ba yabo for now akukho ezinhlelweni yabo because yonke into mele uyihlele yabo. And into engenzeka if usa decide ukuthi siyenze ngeke istart isikhathi eside. Xa ukuthi at this moment yabo sekuningi inzama ukuhlanganisa and kuyashiyo phela ukuthi mawuzo decide ukuhlala nomuntu wentombazane you have to sustain him. Hey yabo. So now mele ngiqale nibe nehleke sami endazi ukuthi noba ndiyamthatha kuzohlala la mele sazi bavele ngalento enayo so wazi ukuphila for this long yabo. Awazi uvela urisk because ibusiness ngeke ube neshow ukuthi iphelele lapha yabo. So kanjani.
Oh, so you want to create a heaven for her?
Yeah.
Ooh, love that.
Mfowethu sesizovala mhlawumbe bokade usithembisile la ukuthi umbukeli oyedwa we-Durban Network uzomwinisa iskipa la. Mhlawumbe yiphi question ongathi cha ozophendula le question le iskipa yasithola?
In terms of question yabona tricky le.
I-trick. Hayi kushithi soyipopulate lapha ku Durban Network question azothi mayiphendulile ayitholele iskipa sakhe.
Kanye athola ikhombo yakhe nje iskipa nebhlukwe yanganje yabo.
Asombuzela bakayina bakwethu lapha emakhaya injani umbala ivura kaPL Sun ozophendula lo mbuzo uzozwinela iskipa makwe wesimama uzowina iskipa kuphela makwe wesilisa uzothola iskipa nebhlukwe lakho
azifikele pha office simthungele ndini
yes straight from the horse's mouth. Mfowethu sesivala nje mhlawumbe abantu ke banithola kanjani lapha kuma social media uzobaxhumane nani ba order
ku Facebook isikhona as knowledge PS Sun like Ken ndingo exactly nayi page sebenza nge
personal
ku TikTok in well tradings but then ma search uzo search exactly njengo Facebook it's knowledge PS Sun like Ken inamba sisebenzisa i1 071 751 5594 bhemu.
Kanisa kwethu nizweleke umfoka lakheni lapha ya kwa World Tradings la uthola khona ke impahla ezifana nalezi njengoba nokusibona ke nathi la ku Durban Network sigqoke izikipa lezi sizakhelwa iyona le nkampani iyasigqokisa senze sinuke kahle sibe bahle sibe on point. Sivala kanjalo kuhlelo lwayo iDurban Network. I am your host Sabel sizohanda basi phansi emkhomazi sithi abake babonana baphinde babonana. Danko.